everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. We already talked about this, but this is another article about Hover. Can a Canadian ride-hailing startup compete with Uber and Lyft? Ride-hailing company Hover says fair pay for drivers will power their business. Yeah, this dude, he's very young too.
Yeah.
He started this company. The vision for the company is helping over 10 million drivers. Oh, he's 28. The Toronto-based ride-hailing company launches today and will service the city and surrounding suburbs. That was 2 weeks ago. It just launched, guys. So be on the lookout for this app coming to a city near you, and you could drive for this company and actually keep 100% of the fares. So they will charge a $20 monthly membership fee to work for the service. So I want to ask you guys, do you think it's worth it to pay 20 bucks a month, but you keep 100% of the fare? And then the passenger will pay a $1 platform fee in addition to whatever the fare is.
Yes, then that's how the company makes money, since they're not taking a cut of your fare.
So yeah, they're taking 20 bucks a month. So 20 bucks a month per driver.
Someone needs to like make a video who's in Toronto using this and see like how much money they make in a week or something.
Yeah, for real. I mean, honestly, it's probably like gonna be popular, because if I was a passenger, I would use this, because just knowing that the driver makes like the full amount, I would be like, I would be more like comfortable taking a ride with this.
I wonder if the rides are a little cheaper too, because like Uber makes the rides so expensive for passengers so that they can make a decent amount by taking a cut.
Yeah, exactly. But this company they have zero incentive for charging surge or anything.
Yeah, and it's just like an extra $1.
Yeah, so they're gonna make $1 whether or not the ride is $5 or 100 or 50 bucks. So it's
Yeah.
like they don't need. Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. I wonder what the pay model is like.
Hmm.
And I don't know. Pretty cool though.